Props version 1.
Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to today's class. Today is day 63 of our web development course. Today is day 63 of our web development course. And today I want to look at a new concept, and this concept is props. This concept is props, okay? Okay. I can put it here like props, okay? Okay. So today I want to look at props, and this is what we're going to cover in today's class, okay? Okay. Today we are looking at props. Yesterday was day 62. Yesterday was day 62 of our web development course. Yesterday was day 62 of our web development course. And yesterday we looked at the image component, okay? Okay. Yesterday we looked at the image component, and members we introduced various components and we saw how we use various components, okay? Okay. So today I'm going to look, our emphasis is going to be on props. But yesterday we looked at the image component, okay? Okay, I hope members right now you are very good with the image component, and I believe that you don't have any problem with it as per now, okay? Okay, this image component here, we have an image component whereby we have, for example, that image, where we have image and there is source, okay? And we have, for example, source, and this image, this one also has alt, okay? Alternative text, okay? And also it even has width, okay? It even has width and height, okay? Okay, it has width and height, okay? Okay, so members, I hope right now you have no problem at all with the image component, okay? And this image component here is from Next. This one here is from, it's from Next.js, okay? Okay, so I hope you have no problem at all with the image component as we speak, okay? Okay, on this time we introduce components. I hope everybody right now you have no problem with components as far as we are moving, okay? Okay, so this one here I can come and remove it. I want to introduce props. So members, I'd like to talk about props. Props here, what are props? Someone will say what are props? Props come from, it's a short term, like like a short phrase. It's a short phrase for properties, what I can call as properties. Okay? What I can call as properties, okay? Okay. So how do these properties come about? In the past, we have designed a lot of in the past, we have designed a lot of cards. You know what to call cards? You know what to call cards? Okay. So members, in the past we have designed a lot of cards, and these cards here they look, for example, like this, and we have here, for example, the image. As you can see, for example, the image is here. Okay. You can have here like an image. Okay. You can have here like an image, and this one is, for example, like an image. Okay. This is, for example, like an image, and you have, for example, like a title. I'm going to put in various demarcations that you see. This one here, for example, there's an image like this, and then here you have, for example, like a title like this, a simple title, okay? And you have, for example, like a description, okay? And a description, and a description, okay? Okay, so members, you'll find yourself where you have, for example, image, description, and no, I've put the description in the wrong place. Let me put here title. Let me put here title. Let me put here title, okay? Title like this. You have your title, you have description. I can come and put here description. Let me put here demarcation, description, a simple description, okay? Simple description. And also we have we also have one for the price, okay? Okay. So members, it's going to look like this, and even we have one for the price. No, this one is a description, okay? And we have another one for the price. And we have another one for the price. So members, this is how normally how our card looks like. This is how our card looks like. It can be without an image, or it can be without anything. But most especially is that the properties are the things which normally change on a particular card. Okay? Okay. So let me put here even the price, and you see this is a price. Let me put here price. Okay? Let me put here price. Okay? Okay. So members, you can see that right now you have your image, title, description, and price. As you can see, it's like this. Okay. Okay. So right now, these ones which you are seeing here, this one here you are seeing here is a card. This one here you are seeing is a card, a single card. Okay? This is a single card, as you can see it there. Okay? Okay. So this card here has various things which change. Okay? Things which are dynamic, things which change on that card. And the card has an image here. This one here, this one where you are seeing this image here, which changes. Then also the card has the title, okay? The title which is here. Then the card, I can maybe put let me drive it here. The title, okay? Then the title is there. Then it has also a description, okay? Then it has also what they call a price, okay? Now, these things which you are seeing here, which change dynamically, which are dynamic, are what you call as properties. Okay? What you call as properties. Okay? Okay. These properties here, sometimes we shorten them and we call them props. Okay? We shorten them to call them props. Are you understanding now, members? Understanding now, members? Okay. So this is where the term properties, or what I can call as props, this is where it comes from. Okay? Or what I can call as props. This is where it comes from. Okay? Have you understood? Have you understood? Okay. So members, we are going to deal with right now in Next.js, we are going to deal with a lot of data. Yeah? This one here, we are seeing image, title, description, price. All this one you're seeing is data. Okay? It is data. Okay? It is data. I am even going to emphasize it. It is data. Okay? Where we are heading right now, members, right now, let me first give you a brief recap about what you want to be in, where we are heading. Okay? It's very good for someone to see where we are heading in the future, so that some insights about where we're heading in the future, so that they really pay attention. Okay? Okay. So tomorrow is going to be day 64, and day 64 we are going to look at them in various types. This one here I can put here props, and I can put here version 1. Okay? They're going to look at version 1. We're going to look at version 1. Version 1. Okay? They're going to look at version 1. Okay? Okay. So tomorrow is going to be day 64, and we're going to look at version 2. We are going to have various versions of props until you really understand them very well. Okay? Until you really understand them very, very well. Okay? Okay. So members, I want you to pay really keen attention. I want what I want to cover. Okay? And I want to start from the level of a true beginner, a person who is really beginning this. Okay? They know Next.js, but they have challenges with props. Okay? They know Next.js, they know React, but they have challenges as far as props are concerned. Okay? Okay. So members, this is day 64 today. Tomorrow, and tomorrow we're going to look at another type of props. Okay? We're going to look at props, but in another version, and I'm going to keep showing you various versions. Okay? So that you really understand this. Okay? Okay. And we're going to look at version 2 of props. Okay? Okay. I'm going to take it slow. I'm going to take it simple, so that someone really understands this from scratch. Okay? So that someone really understands this from scratch. Okay? Okay. So members, if you don't yet subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and notification icon so you don't miss any of the upcoming classes. Okay? Okay. So members, this is what we're going to cover in tomorrow's class. Okay? So we're going to cover in tomorrow's class, day 64. And I want you members to pay attention, really some keen attention. Okay? Okay. Where we're heading right now, let me even re-emphasize this. Where we're heading right now, you blink, you lose. Okay? You just blink like this. You just blink like this, you lose. Okay? So members, I would urge you to pay really keen attention. Yeah? I want you to pay really keen attention. Okay? Okay. So members, you just blink like this. You just miss only one episode. You are gone forever and ever. You are gone forever and ever. Okay? Okay. So I want you to follow up. I want us to follow and we move together. Okay? Okay. You miss only one episode like this, you are gone. You are gone completely, forever and ever. You are gone. Okay? Okay. So members, where we are reaching right now, we have sensitive topics. One of them is props. Okay, that we're looking at today. The second one we're going to look at is conditional rendering. Okay, conditional rendering. Okay, conditional rendering. And we have another topic which is use state. Use state. Okay, okay. So members, we have another type of topic here. We have props, we have conditional rendering, we have use state, and they're like five dangerous topics. We have props, conditional rendering, use state, and also we have another one which is called crude, and then lastly authentication. Authentication. Okay? Okay. These are what I can call as the giant topics. Okay? Giant, like real giant. If you don't take it seriously, you lose out. Okay? If you just miss even just one episode, if you fail to practice, you are gone. This is where if you know this very well, if you know this very well, I believe you're just good, you're just excellent. Okay? Even if you don't know other things in Next.js very well. But as long as you know this one here that I'm rotating very well, okay? You just call yourself good, excellent. Okay? You are excellent. You are simply excellent. Okay? If you know this, you are excellent. Okay? Okay. Right now, members, you just miss only one. Props, conditional rendering, use state, crude or authentication. Just miss only one, you are gone. You are gone. You are completely gone. I repeat this, you are gone. Okay? Okay. So members, let us follow keenly with some bit of interest and we practice on a daily basis, okay? We practice on a daily basis, okay? Okay. So members, where we have reached is very sensitive. It's like climbing a hill, and right now we have reached a very steep part of the hill. And you just miss a step like this. You are down. You are back down to ground zero. Okay? Okay. So members, please pay in attention. Please pay in attention, okay? Okay. So we are going to look at props today. And today, I want to simplify it. Today, I want to first look at them in J6. Okay? In J6. Okay? Before we enter TypeScript, I want us to look at props before we enter TypeScript. Okay? This is day 63. Day 64 tomorrow, I'll put there version 2. And version 2, we are going to be using TypeScript. Members, you getting me? You are getting me, okay? Are you getting me very, 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 very well? Okay? Okay. I cannot begin with TypeScript version when you don't understand where these things come from. Eh? How these props look like in normal JavaScript, okay? Okay. So today I'm going to first look at JSX, then tomorrow I'm going to look at TSX TypeScript, okay? Tomorrow I'm going to look at TSX, okay? TSX. This is when I said TSX. I hope you're not confused right now, okay? I hope you're not confused. TSX is TypeScript, okay? JSX is normal JavaScript, okay? Okay. So members, I hope right now we are understanding very well. I want to first start with JSX, you understand. Then I move to TSX TypeScript. Then we continue like that, okay? Okay. So I hope members you are ready. I hope you are ready, okay? Okay. So right now I have my folder here. It is day 63. See my folder here. I came very well and I installed. I came very well and I installed what? My project. Okay. I came and I installed my project. I installed my project of Next.js. Right now I'm opening it. Okay. So this is what I installed. As I was installing, when you're installing a Next.js project, you normally have some things which you normally put. Okay. Okay. So right now this is what I put. Okay. You can have a look at it. npx create next app at latest dot slash. Okay. Then you go for me instructions here. Would you like to use a recommended settings? I said no. Okay, customized settings. And I chose here, would you like to use TypeScript? No. We're using JSX in this project, okay? Okay. So I chose here no. And I came here, which hinter would you like to use? I said none. Okay? I said here, would you like to use React compiler? I said no. I know. I said here yes. Okay. I said here yes. Would you like to use Tailwind CSS? No. Here I want to just use SAS or CSS alongside JSX. Okay. Okay. And I brought here. Would you like to use code code inside the source directory? I said no. Then here, would you like to use app router? I said yes. Okay? Okay. Follow those instructions and install your project. And my project is here. Are you seeing my project? My project is here. No TypeScript, no Tailwind, okay? You're going to use just normal CSS and and normal CSS and just JavaScript, okay? Okay. So I want you to understand where we are coming from to where we are going, okay? Okay. So at the moment, I can maybe take this off. We come here, we have, for example, our app here, page.jsx is here. So I can come maybe here and remove this. I come and remove this. I can come and remove that. So members, I want to design a card exactly like the way you see this one. Okay? I want to design a card exactly like the way you see this one. So right now, do I have some bit of images? Let me first see if I have some bit of images. Some bit of images. Let me first see graphics. Mhm. Let me first see a screenshot. I'm just looking for some small images and I see. I'm just looking for any images, okay? Any images, okay? Okay. So I'll just use some small images, okay? So members, I just want to design this card exactly as it is. So that you can pick the concept from here, okay? I want you to pick this concept from first principles. Understand this concept from first principles, okay? From first principles, okay? Okay. So right now let me go and I explain the concept and you see. I can come here. This is my page.jsx. I say here RFC. I don't know whether RFC is very compatible here. Okay, it's good. It's here. Okay. Okay. So my project is here. As you can see, it's there. Okay. Okay. So members, it looks like this. It looks like this. Okay. Okay. So right now I'm coming here. I think I installed. Let me first see my package. But my package, it's here. I installed the SAS already. You can install SAS or you can just have your normal CSS, okay? Okay. So right now we are here, we are moving. We are here and we're moving. I want to design this card exactly as it is. But now I want to put I want to now invoke what they call an image component, okay? Okay. So this card here, what can I call it? I'm going to say here. I'm going to say here. What name can I call this card? Give me a name that I can call this card. I think let me call this card like let me call this card like let me just call it card. Let me just call it card. Okay? Let me just call it card the same way it is here. Okay? Okay. So let me want to come here. I call it card. Okay? Okay. So I come here. I say here. I come here. Let me come here. I put here. No. This is my overall container. Let me come inside here and I put here div. Okay? Let me come here. I said dot card. Dot card. So here div. Okay? I understand the problem is I'm used to. Let me come here. I rename this one from JS to JSX because I told you we are using JSX. Okay, JSX. Okay, JSX. That's what you're using. Okay, no more JavaScript. Okay, okay. So I come here. I put the dot card. Okay, dot card. Okay, it's like this. Right now it looks like this. Okay, okay. So I want there's a reason why I'm starting with JSX first before I can go in TypeScript because I want you to understand from where we come from to reach where we are going. Okay, okay. So I can come here and put here class. I can maybe come here and say out maybe card con maybe let me just say here container. Let me just call it container. Okay, container. Okay. So I come here in my JavaScript, my CSS here. I remove this. Oh, also not important for me. Now my global CSS is here, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here, I put here, why do I call this one? I call it container. Come here, I put here dot container. Dot container. Dot container. Then I come here, I put here, this is width. Width, I come here, I put here 100%. Then I come here, I put here height. Height. Then I come here, I put here 100 VH. Okay? 100 VH like this. Okay? Okay. Then I come here, I put, for example, background color. Background color, and I put here maybe orange red. Orange red. Okay? Okay, so maybe what I can do, I can come here and I put now a terminal. Okay, now my terminal is here. I want to see what I'm doing in the browser. Okay, okay. So right now my terminal is here. I come here. I can maybe split it into two, or I can just leave it the way it is. But for now, let me just leave it the way it is. So I can come here and say npm run dev, npm run dev. Okay, npm run development, or run the development server. Okay, okay. npm run dev, just like this. So it's coming. So I can come here, I copy all this as you see it there, and I bring it inside my browser here. Okay? I bring it inside my browser here. Okay? Inside my browser here. So I now load the what? Now it's now loading. It's loading, it's coming. Okay? It's coming. It's coming, it's coming. It's coming. Okay? Okay. So it's here, okay? Okay. So right now, one thing I've missed to do is browser reset, okay? Browser reset. I can come here and put now a browser reset, and the browser reset is like this. And browser reset, I can maybe come and put here, you know very well we normally reset the browser. I come here, I put here margin 0, margin 0. Come here, I put here padding 0, padding 0, okay? I come here, I put here box size, border box, okay? Box sizing, border box, just like this. So I hope it's gone. It's gone now, okay? Okay. So right now I just using that one as leverage, okay? So even if I remove now the orange, maybe let me just come, I put here the card. I come here, I put here a card. I can come, I say here dot card. Okay, dot card, just like this. I put here, because the dot card I'm getting it from here, okay? The card. So right now I'm going to put here width. Width, I come here, I put here. So here, members, I'm now designing my card, okay? Okay. So right now I can maybe come, I put here, for example, like 60%, 60%, okay? And I come here, I put here height. Height, I can maybe come, I put maybe 70 VH, okay? Okay. Then I can come, I put here background color. Background color, and I put here maybe purple. Maybe purple, just like this, okay? Okay. So right now it looks like that, and everything looks good. And inside this, oh, 60% is too much. 60% is too much. Let me just say here, maybe 30. Okay? Maybe 30%, and I see, yeah, that one is good, that one is good. So I come, I put here maybe like 90 VH, okay? Like 90 VH. Just like this, okay? Okay. So right now I can come and put maybe display flex, align item center, just 5 point center. Come here in the container, I say here display flex. Then I come here, I put here align item center, align item center, just 5 content center, justify content center, okay? Okay, just like this. So it looks very, very good like this, okay? Okay, my card is like this, okay? Okay, so even if I remove the background color which is orange, I want to use orange somewhere. So this one I can come and remove it. But its work is done, okay? Its work is done for centering it. So it's good, okay? Okay. So now I can come and put maybe the image container, okay? Come, I put the image container. Come right now, I'm now, right now, remember, I'm redesigning this card here. Are you seeing I'm redesigning this card here, okay? I'm redesigning this card. So I'm coming, I put here the image container. Come, I say dot image container, dot image container, just like this. So it looks like that, okay? Okay. So now I come here, I put here, come here, I put here dot image container, dot image container, image container, image container. So I can come here, I put here, for example, width I can come, I put maybe 100%. Then I come here, I put here height I can come, I put maybe like 40 VH, okay? Then I come, I put maybe background color I can maybe put orange red. I like so much orange red, okay? Okay, so it looks like this. It has here, it's like this, okay? Okay, just like this. So everything looks good. So I have your title left, description, and price, okay? Okay, so right now I'm having which one follows? Title container, okay? Title container, okay? Okay, title container follows. So I'm going to come here, I put here title container. Come here, I put here the title dot title container, dot title container, just like this. Title container, it's like that. Okay. Okay. So I come here, I put here dot title container, dot title container, dot title container, dot title container. I come here, I put here maybe width. Come here, I put here maybe width. I put maybe 100%. Then I come here, I put here height. Height. I come, I put maybe, let me select 10 VH. Then I come, I put here maybe background color. Background color, I can maybe put like green, okay? Like green, okay? Okay. So title container is here. It looks very good. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing? So it looks like this, okay? Title container is there. So right now what follows? Description, okay? Description follows. So right now I can come here, I put a description, description container. So I come here, I put here div, I come here, I put here dot description, container. The description container, okay? The description container, okay? Okay, just like this. So I can come here, I put here dot description, the description container, the description container, okay? Okay, so I come here, I put here maybe width. I can come, I put here maybe width is, let me say 100%, okay? Then I come here, I put here height. Height, I can maybe come, I put 100, no, let me put like 20 VH, okay? Then I come, I put here maybe background color, and I put maybe like, or like, I was going to put orange red, but now I like so much, I fall in love with orange red. Okay, let me just put a description. What color can I put for it? Let me just say maybe yellow, okay? Yellow green, okay? Okay, yellow green. So I want to see how it looks like. Yellow green is here, okay? Okay. So what is missing? Price is missing, okay? Price. So I'm going to come, I put here price container very well. Price container. Come here, I put here dot price container. Dot price container. Okay? Dot price container, as you can see it's here. So price container is there. I come here, I put here dot price container. Dot price container. Dot price container. So it looks like this, and I come, I put here maybe width, okay? Width, I can come, I put here, width is maybe like 100%, okay? Then I come, I put here maybe height. Height, I can maybe come, I put maybe 10 VH. Height, I can maybe come, I put 10 VH. 10 VH, just like this, okay? Okay. So I can come, I put here background color. Background color, maybe I can put maybe gray. Gray, okay? Like gray. Like gray scale or gray, okay? Okay. So once here it looks like this, okay? Okay. So then I can come, I maybe remove that excess space, okay? That excess width, okay? Can I become, I put maybe 80, like 80 VH, like 80 VH, okay? Just like this, okay? So we have this one, okay? Okay. This one is for the image. This one is for title. This one is for description. This one is for what? Price, okay? Okay. So right now everything looks be good. Right now I want to put now I want to put my what? My image, okay? Okay. So right now I have my images out here. My image is here, okay? So I'm going to come, I drop it inside my public folder. As you can see, it's like this. Just come, I drop my image inside there, okay? Just like that, okay? Okay. So I can come here, I put now my image. Come here, I put here IMG. My image. Remember yesterday look at image. Yesterday members look at the image component, okay? Okay. So members, I hope no one has problems with image component right now, okay? So right now we are just moving, okay? We are just moving from next image. It's like this, okay? Everything is good. I come here, I put maybe source. So right now we are just moving because right now everybody is good, okay? Okay. So I can come, I put your source. Source I can come, I put here source is which one? Source is when I come in the public folder, it is what name did I give the image? Let me come, I see mobile accessories.png, okay? Okay. Come, I put here dot mobile accessories, accessories.png, okay? Mobile accessories.png, okay? Okay, so I can come here, I put here alt, then I come here, I put here sample image, just like this. Then I come here, I put here width, property, this is width property, okay? Then I come here, I put maybe like 600, and maybe I can come here, I put here height, height of about like 500, okay? Come here, I put height like of about like 500, okay? Height of about like 500. Okay, just like this, okay? Just like this. Okay, just like that, okay? Okay, so I'll see how it looks like. Right now it's coming. I know it's coming, it's there, okay? Okay. So I understand it's occupying the whole space, so I'm going to work on that. So I'm going to come here, I give it class name. I can give it, I say here image, just like this, okay? I can come, maybe I can maybe put here, I can make what can I call it? I can just maybe call it like sample. I already use the sample image. I can maybe come, I call it here like example image, just like maybe let me just put like image, just like this, okay? Like image. Let me just say sample image. Sample image, just like this, okay? Okay, just like that, okay? Okay, sample image, just like this. Sample image. I'm calling it sample image. So that's the exact name I'm going to use here. Come here. Can come anywhere. I can come here and I put here dot sample image, just like this. Then I come, I bring it here. I say here width. I can come, I put here 100%, and I come, I put here height. I can maybe come, I put here 100%. Okay. Okay. So I can come, I put here. Give it mean width. Give it max width. It's an image. Okay. Okay. So I'll see how it looks like. Looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, okay, it looks very good. You're seeing it. Are you seeing it? Okay, it looks very good. So the image is there. It has fitted very well. Okay, okay. So now we are following this principle here of image, title, principle, and even price. Okay, okay. So this principle work everywhere. To work on all cards. Okay, okay. So now we are going to the what? The title. And now going to the title. So I can come here. Right now we are going to the title. So right now we are going to the title. The title is here. So the title is here, and we are having, for example, what can I call it? I can come, I put here headphones. They are called what? They are headphones. Okay. Okay. So I can come, I put here headphones. Just like this. Headphones, just like this. Okay. Okay. So right now, let me see if it's there. It's there. Okay. It's there. It's there. Okay. Okay. So I can come and maybe give it some bit of some design. I can come here inside the title container here. And I come, I give it maybe display flex, align item center, justify content center, align item center, justify content center, Okay? Align item center, justify content center, just like this, and it's there in the center. Okay? So I'm going to give it some bit of font size. Come here, I give it font size. I give it maybe large. Large. Can I see large? Large, okay. Let me give here some bit of font weight. I can come, I give maybe 600, okay? Okay, just like this. So your headphones is there. But let me just say here, larger. Larger is good. Larger is better. Okay? Okay, this one is good. So right now, we are fixing now the title is done. So now we are left with the description, okay? Okay. So now we are going to the description. I can come here and put here description. Description container is here. So I come here and put here Lauren, just like this. Lauren, give me a sample description, okay? Okay, just like this. Sample description. So everything looks to be good. It's like this, okay? Okay. So everything is good on my side. I can come and I style this one. Description container is which one? It's here. So I can come, I put here display flex, align item center, is here. And I come, I put here justify content center, Okay, it's like that. Okay, okay, it's like this. So now I know what the problem. What's the problem is facing? Padding is a problem here. So I come here, I put here padding 1 rep. Top and bottom, left, right, okay? Okay, just like this. Okay. Okay. So right now we are done with the description. Okay. 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 So right now go to the price. Okay. And now go to the price. So right now we are having here the price container is like this. So I come here now, the price container is here. So I can come, I put maybe US dollars, USD. I can maybe come, I put here maybe like 1,000 US dollars. Okay. 1,000 USD. It's like that. Okay. Just like this. So my price is inside there. I drop it there. As you can see, my price is there. So let me go and see how it looks like. It's like that. Okay. Okay. So right now it looks very good like this. So I can come maybe and I put here I maybe put here like display. I can come, I put here display flex, align time center, just 5 content center. Align item center, just 5 content center. Align time center, just 5 content center. Just like this. Just 5 content center, just like this. So it comes in the center like this. Okay. Okay. So right now, wow. Wow, 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 wow. So members, my card, it looks like this. As you can see, my card is like that. As we explain it here, but my card is like that. The image is like that, and you can see the image is there. Okay. So the title is like that, and you can see my title is like this. Okay. And the description is like this, and my description is like this. Okay. And my price is like this, and you can see my price is there. Are you understanding, members? Are you understanding, members? Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Okay? Okay. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming classes, and also the notification icon. Okay? Okay. So now I feel like right now you have understood this. Okay? Okay. So what I want to do, I want to now implement the component principle, the component. So imagine there are very many cards. I'm not going to be there having something like this. I don't want to write my cards inside the page. Eh? This home page here. Are you seeing this page? Eh? This one here I think is a home page. This one you're seeing here is a home page. Okay. This one is a home page. Okay. This one is a home page, as you can see. Right? Are you seeing? Okay. Are you seeing? Eh? So this one you're seeing here is the home page. It should not confuse you. It should not drill you. This is the home page. Okay. So I don't like writing my things inside here like this, the cards. So I'm just going to come here. I get all of this, as you can see it. Are you understanding now? I'm going to give 1, 2, 3. You look at what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So I cut it. I remove it. Okay? I remove it from the home page. Okay? I remove it from the home page. Now I'm going to come and open a components folder. I drop it inside my components and I bring it back here. Okay? Okay. So I can come here like this. I open my folder. I say here components. Components, just like this. Okay? Okay. So I come here, I put here card.tsx. Okay? Just like this. So I come here, I put here RFC, just like this. Then after putting my RFC, I just come, I drop it inside here like this. Okay? So my card is here. Are you seeing my card is here? No, it's not TSX. I put here, members, I'm used to TypeScript, okay? Just say here J6, okay? Just say J6. Just say J6. Okay? We in this example we're using J6. Tomorrow we're going to look at TypeScript and we see. I'm used to TypeScript, okay? But let us go with J6, okay? Okay. So right now everything looks to be good, okay? Everything looks to be good. Everything looks to be good, okay? Okay, just like this. I want to show you where we are heading to, so that members don't get lost. If I began with TypeScript, I know majority would get lost. Majority would be lost. I can't begin bringing here types, and you don't even know where things are coming from. Okay, okay. So members, everything looks to be good. Everything looks to be good. This is JavaScript. Okay, you're using. So right now, my card is inside here. So I want to bring back my card here. I'm bringing it back in the container here, the overall container which you're seeing here. I bring it back. So I come here. I now come. I say your card. Okay, I bring it back from the components. So it's like this. So it's like this. So my card is here. Members, watch my step. Watch each and every step that I take. Okay. So my card, I bring it back. You see, my card is here. I brought it back. Okay. Are you seeing, members? I brought back my card. I brought back my card. Okay. I brought back my card. I understand the reason why it's behaving like this. So image here, image from next image from next image. So the error, I think the error is gone now. So it's gone, okay? My card is here. Are you seeing my card? Okay, it's there. So members, at the moment, I want to introduce you to props, okay? Props are, and something we looked at here. Props are these ones you're seeing here. Image, title, description, price. These ones here are going to be very dynamic. That's why we call them props and properties, okay? Okay. So members, instead of writing them like this, okay? There is another way how you can do this, okay? There is another way of doing things, okay? And this is the other way that I am going to introduce you to. Yeah? The one which is where we have props, okay? The one where we are having props, okay? Okay. So members, hold on tight. Hold on tight, okay? Okay. So members, instead of having, there are two ways how we normally use props, okay? Let me first come I put even here. We have two ways how we use props. We have two ways. Two ways how we use props. How we use props. We use props. Okay? Okay? Okay. We have two ways how we use props. Okay? Okay. So members, I'm even underlining this. We have two ways how we use props. Okay? Okay. So the first way how we use props is this structuring. With this structure, we always this structure. This structuring inside the params. Inside the params. Okay? The params are those curved brackets when you're seeing a function, okay? The params, okay? And also the other way is this structuring inside. This structuring inside the function. This structuring, this structuring, this structuring inside. Okay? Two ways, okay? So we're going to look at all of them and we see. We're going to look at all of them and we see, okay? Okay. We're going to look at all of them and we're going to look at all of them and we see, okay? Okay. So members, everything looks to be good as you can see. Are you seeing? Okay. So we are moving. We are moving. We are moving. Okay? Okay. So members, we're not going with this one here, this approach of doing data like this is going to phase out. Eh? Everything looks to be good. I know everything is good. I know everything is good. Okay? And right now everything looks to be good like this. Are you see? Yeah, there's no problem. But now we are going to begin looking at databases, authentication, and this one will be irrelevant. Okay? So this method of doing things like this, yeah, here image data coming like this, okay? Image like this, headphones like this, yeah. Are you seeing these things, eh? Are you seeing this one? Then you come and put your lorem like this, drop them inside the containers. You drop the headphones inside the container. You drop the description inside the description container. Eh? Are you seeing? Are you seeing the members? Eh? Then you come and then you drop the image inside the image container like this. Eh? Then you come and drop the price inside the price. So it won't become outdated, okay? It's going to become outdated. I can repeat it 3 times. 1, it's going to become outdated. 2, it's going to become outdated. 3, it's going to become outdated. Okay? Okay. So we're going to use most of our time we're going to be using props. Okay? Most of our time we're going to be using props. Okay? Okay. So method 1, I want to introduce you to props using the can I start with this one? Let me start with this one, okay? Inside the params, okay? Inside the params, okay? Okay. So members, I'm going to come here and now I'm going to show you how you're going to do this. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to come here, watch me, watch me. I'm going to start with the image, okay? I'm going to start with the image, this one here. This image property you're seeing here, okay? Okay. Start with the image, I'm going to come here. So members, watch what I'm going to do. Watch what I'm going to do. When I come, I put here, for example, look at what I'm going to do. If I just say here image, okay, I am sending data. I should repeat 3 times. If I just say here image, okay, and I say here equal sign like this, okay, I am sending data. I am sending image data inside this property. inside this component. Okay? Okay. I like to repeat this thing 3 times that you understand. Okay? Okay. If I say image like this, image, the first one starts with image, equals, then this quote here. I am sending image data inside this component here, see, okay? I am sending image data inside the card, okay? Okay, so I can come and say, yeah, I can even say image data, okay? Image data. I'm sending image data inside the card, okay? It can either be image or it can be image data, whatever you want, okay? Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. Watch what I'm going to do. Watch what I'm going to do, okay? Okay, so I'm going to come here. I now get this image. You see this image here you're seeing? Eh? This image here you're seeing, okay? So I'm going to get this image here, okay? This one you're seeing here, slash like this, okay? I cut it like this, I bring it here. I bring it here like this. So it is here. Are you seeing it? So it is there. Okay? Okay. So right now I am sending image data inside this component. So right now the source you're seeing here remains empty. And right now I am introduced to these brackets here. Those are what they call JavaScript brackets, okay? These ones you're seeing, we use those ones to when you're writing JavaScript inside HTML, okay? So right now I become introduced to these brackets, okay? Okay. So right now, you know what I'm going to do? What I'm going to do? I'm going to send this image data inside this component. Okay? Okay? Okay. I'm going to send this image data inside this component. Okay? Okay. So I'm sending it. So here, inside my parameters here, I call it as parameters or what I can call as params. Okay? So I'm using the first method. We're using the first method, okay? We're using the first method, okay? We're using the first method, okay? Okay, so I'm going to send here using the params, where I'm putting the params, okay? Okay, so how is it going to be? How is it going to be? How is it going to be? Okay? Okay, so members, let me first put here even, let me just put here. So members, let me first show you. This one you're seeing here is all these ones I'm putting here are to call parameters, okay? How to call as props, okay? How to call as props, okay? Okay. So inside here, these brackets you're seeing, I put here they are props, okay? They are props, okay? They are props, okay? Okay. So these ones you're seeing here, they are props, okay? No one should you should not get confused in a whatever way. These ones here are seeing are props, okay? Okay. So members, you can see they are like that. So I'm going to send this image data inside the props, okay? I'm going to send this image data inside the props. So members, even if you come, even if you come and even you say here console.log, console.log or clg console.log, then you even say props, then you even put your props, okay? Then you even put their props, okay? Okay. So when you come and put your console.log and even put their props, yeah? When you go to our console and we see, when you go to our console and we see, I can come and say here our console and we see console.log, our console. So members, let me first solve this error which is here. So members, you can see right now our console is like this, okay? Okay, so members, even if you go to our console and you see inside our props, you will see that I know there's some error it's bringing me. I understand there's some error it's bringing me right now. Okay, I understand there is an error because I've not yet completed that. Okay, I understand. So members, we shall see this. Okay, we shall see this. Even if you go to our console, you will be able to see these props. Okay, okay. So right now, I want to show you something. Okay, so let me first do like this, and I see, and I say here props dot let me say image, and we see props dot So here, members, as you can see, we have here our image like this, okay? So right now I want to show you how we are going to do this. I want to show you how we are going to do this, okay? Okay. So right now I put here image data and I put here mobile accessories like this, okay? It's like that. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here and I put here, are you seeing my props here? This thing I left it empty. Are you seeing this thing I left it empty? So here I have here my props like this, okay? I have here my props like this. So I can come here, I just put here props. Are you seeing it? Dot image data. The same way I wrote it here. Dot image data. Dot image data. Just the exact way I put it there. I put there dot image data. Okay? Just like this. Okay? Okay. So it looks like this. So when I go back to my app, are you seeing right now it has come. Are you seeing? Right now it has come. Okay? It has come very well. Okay? Okay. So I come here, and right now it looks like this. It's good. It's good. Okay. Okay. So right now I want to work on whatever thing I want to work on. Right now I want to work on the headphones. So are you seeing on the headphones? So I'm not on the headphones. Are you seeing these headphones? So I want to come here, and the headphones is just a title, just a title. Okay. Okay. So I can come here and put here, for example, title data. Title. I can just put title, or may I enjoy putting data on it to show that this is real data, okay? Okay, so I can come and put the title data, just like title data. Then I come and put here equal signs like this, so it's like this, okay? Okay, so title data, I remove these headphones from here. It's empty. You think it's empty, okay? It is empty. So I come and put it here. I come and put it here, okay? Okay, so it looks like that. So it's like that. So I come here and then I open these count brackets like this, and I put their props. Okay, props. Are you seeing these props up here? The ones that I put inside the brackets. Yeah, ones that I put inside the brackets. Okay, and I come I put the props dot. Okay, props dot title data, title data. Remember that when I have these props like this, okay, when I put these props like this, okay, these ones here, I be sending them to what? To the component. I be sending them to the what? The component. So right now when I put them inside here, I be receiving them, okay? Okay. So I come I put here dot title data. The title data. Just like this. So the title data, and you can see that it has come, it's like this, okay? Okay. So now I can come and remove even this lorem here. This lorem you are seeing here. Come I remove this one. I remove it completely, okay? So right now when I go back on the UI, you can see it has been removed, okay? So I'm going to come, I put it here as a prop. I put it here as a prop, okay? I put it here as a prop. So I come here, I put here, I put it as description data, description. No matter the name you give, it's okay. Okay, as long as you use the same name you're going to use here is the same name you're going to use the other side. Okay, okay. So I can give it description plain, or I can give it description data. There's no problem as long as you follow the protocol. Okay, okay. So I can come and put a description like this, and the description is there. Okay, the description is there. Okay, okay. So right now I come here and give here, I open the course, I say here props dot description, the description data, the description. Why do I call it description data? Just like this, okay? Props dot description data, description, description data, okay? Okay. So it looks like this and it's there. So when I do like that, it's back. Okay, it's back. Okay, okay. So right now we are left with price, and right now I want to make also price a prop. Okay, okay. So right now I cut price away, and right now you can come back and I see it's gone. Okay. So when I come here, I send props as a prop. Okay, as a prop. So I come here, I put there price data. can name it price, there's no problem. Okay? Maybe I simply put in there price data. Just show it clearly this is data. Are you seeing it? Yeah. So it's like this, and I put here my price is like that, okay? Okay, just like this. In most cases, you will see in next tomorrow's video, we're going to see where we have number. Okay? This one will be very sensitive, okay? This one will be very sensitive for us to use. I will show you where we are going, okay? I will show you, okay? I want to show you where we are going. Okay? Okay. So right now, let me just remove this. No, instead of bringing it like this, it looks weird, eh? It looks weird. Are you seeing it? It looks weird. Let me just put here 1000, okay? Price data is like this. Right now, I'm going to just put here. I'm just going to put here. It's something I'm going to show you. Yeah, instead of me removing it, let me just do like this. Okay, I just remove the 1000. Okay, okay. So that 1000, I'm going to bring it here and I put it here. Okay, okay, just like this. Okay, okay. So this one is a number. I'm going to be showing you these things in the next class. Okay, in tomorrow's class, especially where we have TypeScript. Okay, okay. So right now it looks like this. So I'm going to come here, where at the end, where the 1000 has been, and I open those quotes and I put here props dot price data. Price data. Props dot price data. Okay, just like this. And I want to say it looks like it's like this. Okay, it's back. It's back. Are you seeing? It's back. Okay, okay, just like this. Okay, just as simple as that. Okay, okay. So members, this is how it is. This is how it is. Yeah, members, props should not be a problem. Props cannot be a problem. Okay, props cannot be a problem on your side. Okay, they cannot be a problem. Even if I come and say here, uh, even if I come here and I say here, CLG console log, I put here props. Okay? Props just like this. You will see all the props, they will be there. You will see all the props, they will be there. So, you will see all the props. Are you seeing the props? They are here. It doesn't create for me an object. Are you seeing an object? And then for me image data. Are you seeing mobile accessories? The same thing which is this side here. There's something which is this side. Are you seeing image data, the title data? Are you seeing description data, a price data? On the console, they are showing me this one. The terminal here, you can see. Are you seeing? Are you seeing members? Okay. So the same thing which is here is the same thing you're showing me on the console. Are you seeing? Yeah. Are you seeing it? So it's not a problem really. It's not really a problem. If you get any challenge, please comment in the comment section. I say I can help you. Okay. Okay. So that is how we handle props, okay? Okay. So members, in the data future, yeah, this one here phases out. I tell you this because I keep telling you this one phases out. First, we look at better things, okay? We look at better things, okay? Okay. Right now, I see that you have done props.price data, props.description. This one here phases out, okay? Just understand this one. I have to written it down in your notebook somewhere so that you don't forget, okay? So that you don't forget, okay? When I rub off something, you don't forget, okay? Okay. So this one here phases out props.image data, props.title data, props.description data, props.price data. This one phases out, okay? Phases out props.props.props.props.props. This syntax here phases out, okay? Don't want to continue using this syntax anymore, okay? Okay, so I just do this one for you to understand, okay? Okay, so right now, okay? I'm taking you step by step, okay? Okay, so the same thing, the same way you can put here props like this. This one here, I can come here and just destructure. I put here destructure. Okay? Destruction. Okay? I extract instead of me putting props.image data. Yeah? Props.title data. Are you seeing? Props. If you have a card which has about like 1000 properties, I won't keep putting props. That is very tiresome, very hectic, very confusing. That syntax is not acceptable. Okay? Are you understanding, members? Are you understanding? So we are going to use what they call destructuring. I'm going to destructure the image data alone. Okay? And I destructure the title data alone. Okay? Then I destructure the description data alone. Okay? I don't want this props dot, props dot, props dot, props dot. Are you see? Yeah? I'm going to destructure the price data alone. I understand. Yeah? I'm going to grab it alone. I want to grab the price data alone, grab the description data alone, and I grab the title data alone, I grab the image data alone. That's what they call destructuring. Okay? Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here. Okay? I do this. You see, since I know that props, you see these props here, I know them that when they those things should be inside the brackets, these curved brackets are called the props. I know that very well, okay? As long as they are on the component here, they are called the props, okay? Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here and I say here const. I put here const, okay? Watch my move. Watch my move. Okay? Watch my move. I open an object. Okay? I open an object. Then I put there. I put there the same way they are here this side. Okay? Image data. I grab the image data. I grab that image data and I put it there. Okay? Okay? You are seeing, okay? Comma. I come. I grab the title data as you are seeing it there. Okay? I put it here. I put comma, then I come, I grab the description data as you are seeing it here, okay? I grab it, and I bring it here, okay? Like that, okay? Then I come, I grab the price data as you are seeing it here, okay? As you are seeing it here, I grab it, and I bring it here, okay? Okay, so this one makes it to be more organized. I don't want this thing of props dot, props dot, props dot, like that, okay? Then I just say is equal to props. As simple as that. Okay? As simple and precise as that. Okay? Then instead of me saying props dot image data, as come I put this image data I'm seeing here and I put it here. Okay? And everything still works perfectly. Okay? And everything still works perfectly. Okay? Then I come here and then and then I bring this title data which are seeing here. Yeah? As you can see. Instead of me putting there props dot, I come and I remove this. And I put title data alone as it is. Alone as it is. Okay? Okay? Okay. So then I come and remove the description data as you're seeing it here, as it is. I now bring it here. Okay? Instead of props dot description data, I bring it here. Okay? Are you seeing, members? Are you seeing where we are moving? I want to start from a baby level. I want to go things which are complex and someone can even feel like fainting. Okay? I start from a baby level. I continue going upwards. Okay? Okay. So right now you see the structure data. So I'm left with the props dot price data. Props dot price data. I can remove this. I don't want that. Okay? I want the price data alone. Okay? Okay, is equal to props there. You see the props up there. So I come, I put there the price that alone as it is. Okay? Okay? Okay, just like that. So when I'm done doing that, even it's still the same thing. Okay? So they will remain, they will come. Okay? It's the same thing. Okay? So I save myself the burden of putting that ugly syntax. Yeah? That ugly syntax of props dot props dot props dot props dot. Are you see? Yeah. So this one here where we this structure and it say inside the function. Are you seeing inside this function here? Yeah. You're seeing our function export default function card. Where we this structure inside our our function here is the method which I was bringing for you here. Yeah. You can even tick this. You can even tick it. This one here is inside with this one. You can even make it red. Okay. This one here, this structure is inside. This one here, where we destructure like this, where we say const image data, title data, description data, price data is equal to props. Okay. Is equal to props. This one here, where this structure inside is what they call is the second method. Okay. Okay. Okay, so right now I want to show you this one here, this one here, which is one. This structure inside the params. Okay, okay. So members, we already know that we already know that. Now look at this. We already know that this one here, yeah, that the image data, title data, distribution data, price data is all of them are equal to props. Okay, if these ones are equal, if these ones are equal, that means I can just grab this one, the whole of it. I see, eh? I cut it, and I put it in the position of this one. Are you seeing, members? I see. I can even take it back. I'm going to repeat this 3 times. We already know that this one here is equal to this one. Okay? So if this one if this one here is equal to this one, the props, which props are here, I just grab this one, as it is, okay, Control X, and I place it in a position where there are those props, okay, like this, okay. So I can take it back. I rewind it the third time for you to understand. I already know that the image data, title data, description data, price data is equal to props. Which props are here? Okay? Which props are here? Okay? So I'm just going to come and grab this one as you see it here. Okay? And I press it in a position where there are props up there. Like this. Okay? Then this one I can even come and remove this. Okay? So this way of doing things is what they call destructuring inside the params. Are you seeing? Destructuring inside the params. Are you understanding now, members? Are you understanding now, members? There are two methods. It is you to choose. You can either destructure inside the function here, or you can destructure inside the params here. It is totally okay, depending on what you want, you as you, the developer. Okay? Okay. So when I do it like this, it's also fine. Okay? Because the props are equal to props, which props are the same. Okay? So here we're destructuring image data, channel data, description data, price data, and still everything is the same. They will not go away, they will remain there. And when I come here in my browser here, you will see they are there. Okay? Okay. Wow, it has been a very good lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I say I can help you. Okay? Okay. Params are one of the lifebloods of what you're going to do, and I would like someone to really understand them very, very, very well. Okay? Very, 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 very well, extremely well. I want to give you some good amount of lessons so that you really understand this. Okay? Okay. If you like this, please tap on the like button. Okay? You can even share to your friend. Okay? Okay. And most importantly, don't forget to hit the notification icon and the subscribe button. Okay? If you have not yet subscribed. Okay? Okay. So members, it looks big good, and I hope you have really understood how params go. Okay? I hope you have really understood how params go. So members, it has been a very good lesson. Okay? This is how we shall always deal with data. Okay? From now onwards, we shall never write data the way you see it, the way you saw it there. We shall always write data like this. Okay? We shall always and always write data like this. Are you understanding me, members? Are you understanding me? We shall never write data the same way we're doing it like in HTML and CSS. We're always and always going to write data like this. Okay? Okay? Okay. Just as simple, as precise as this. Okay? Okay. Just like that. Okay? Okay. So members, I want to meet you tomorrow in the next video, and we'll see. I want to look at TypeScript. Okay? We want to look at TypeScript. And members, we cannot continue using JSX because JSX has its limitations. Okay? JSX, JSX has its limitations. Okay? This JSX you're seeing here, this normal JavaScript here, has its own limitations, which are very difficult. Okay? So members, we shall switch from using JSX to TSX. Okay, this one TSX has a lot of limitations. Okay, which you get to know alone as you use it. Me, I've used it for some time, and I don't urge you to use TSX. Okay, we're going to use TypeScript. Tomorrow I want to look at TSX. Okay, okay. So members, I would like to meet you in tomorrow's class. Okay. When we look at TypeScript, we have seen the number of problems which normally happen. The number of problems which normally happen when someone uses. Some members here you can see that J6 itself, J6 has its limitations. It has its limitations which are paramount. And I'm not likely to use J6. We're going to use TypeScript, okay? Okay. This TypeScript here, we can detect an error very fast. In case we create an error, for example, here. Okay? So we can detect that error in the shortest period of time and work upon it and rectify it as soon as possible. Okay? Okay, so we are going to use TypeScript in our next video, and I'm going to show you how we are going to use this. Okay, okay, please be there. Please be there. Okay, okay. I'll see you in tomorrow's video tomorrow. Okay, okay. Have a very good day.